下午好，让我是我介绍一下 Elda Zalzabila. Ike Jawa Elda. Zizay, mula介绍一下马鲁库的问题。之后来黑点黑那Sao Paulo. Welcome to Maluku Province. Maluku is one of the provinces in Indonesia. Maluku has a lot of natural beauty that is no less than other provinces. The traditional food of Maluku is woku komo-komo, ikan kuah asap pala banda, ikan asap papeda, and other. The majority of religion in Maluku are Islam, and the majority of tribes are Ambon. Okay, now I will explain about one tourism object in the Maluku. Is Ora Beach. Ora Beach is located in the Saleman village, North Seram Regency, Central Maluku, Maluku Province. The location of this beach area is previously in Manusela National Park, Seram Island, Maluku Province, Indonesia. Ora Beach is a natural beach with clean water and clean sand. This area also has very calming underwater beauty. Ora Beach has a land area that is not very large because most of the area is cliff, tropical forest, and mountain. However, Ora Beach has a very beautiful underwater panorama. The seawater is clear blue with underwater view that still lack the touch of human hand. This area has many coral reefs that are still very healthy and diverse marine biota. Here we can do many activities such as snorkeling and diving. We can snorkeling and dive to enjoy the underwater beauty because the water is clear. There is no need to dive too deep to enjoy the underwater beauty. Ora Beach has many snorkeling and diving spots. Some of our favorite spots are spots that are right next to high cliff, so we can see the underwater ecosystem around the cliff. Apart from that, there is also a small stage in the middle of the sea which is often used as photo spot and a place to play snorkeling or diving equipment. Next, eat traditional food. We can taste the staple food of the local community, namely sagu, which is eaten with dry fish. Then take a photo. Ora Beach has an interesting photo spot, from its white sand, green mountain, to a number of traditional inn. Ora Beach traditional culture tourism is located between Saliman Village and Sawai Village, which are known as traditional village or traditional lands. This area has a cultural attraction because the area the Seram Island which are inhabited by the Alifuru tribe and other indigenous tribes, such as the Hoalu tribe and so on. We can also camp here. The beach area can be used to set up a tent. Okay, next I will explain about Fort Nassau. Fort Nassau was the first Dutch fort built in Neira Island, Banda Island, Maluku Province, Indonesia. This fort was completed in 1609, the aim was to control the Netherlands trade, which at the time only grew on the Banda Island. Fort Nassau is the first Dutch fort in the Banda Island. The Portuguese had previously attempted to build a fort at this location in 1529, but after laying the foundation, the abandoned were due to resistance from the local population. On April 25, 1609, the commander of the Dutch fleet, Admiral Verhoeven, sent 740 soldiers to start building a fort in Maluku. Then they chose the foundation of the fort that had been made by the Portuguese previously. Threatened by the fort and the presence of Dutch workers, as well as overseas, thus planned to monopolize the Netherlands industry. The bandits attacked the Dutch and killed Admiral Verhoeven and 40 of his men. Learning from this incident, the Dutch accelerated the construction of the fort, and this was finally completed in 1609. Apart from being a place of defense, this fort was also the Dutch administrative office in Banda Island. The construction of other forts followed in the Banda Besar, including Fort Hollandia and Fort Belgica. Fort Nassau, which is located between Banda Island and Banda Besar, was a large fort for its time, but its splendor was dwarfed by the presence of another fort, namely Belgica. Just two forts can still be seen today. So everyone, in here we can study of historical and we can take a picture apart. Apart from that, to enter this object, you don't need to pay an entrance ticket.
好了，大家，我相信记得这些已经做过了。感谢你的关注，希望你喜欢并遵守到。谢谢，再见，见到你，再见。